Selamat pagi, salam sehat, salam sejahtera buat kita semua. Jumpa lagi pada mata kuliah Enterprise Architecture atau Architecture Enterprise. Topik yang kita bahas pada pertemuan kali ini adalah Business Architecture atau Architecture Business. Masih bersama saya, Leon Andreti Abdillah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat siang. Salam sehat dan sejahtera buat kita semua. Selamat datang rekan-rekan mahasiswa yang saya cintai dan banggakan dimanapun Anda berada. Semoga selalu dalam keadaan sehat walafiat dan dalam lindungan Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Amin ya Rabbal Alamin.
Lecture untuk mata kuliah ini adalah Leon Andreti Abdillah, saat ini sebagai Associate Professor Computer Science and Information System pada Faculty Science and Technology. Kemudian juga bertugas sebagai asesor, reviewer, research fellow, dan editor. Asesor BKD di Kemdikbud, kemudian reviewer di Kemdikbud, research fellow INTI International University Malaysia, serta research fellow Tsinghua University Taiwan, dan menjadi editor pada sejumlah international journal dan conference. Mata kuliah yang diasuh antara lain adalah HCI, KMS, CRM, kemudian ada BPP, BPHEM, Databases, Data Structure, ERP, Information System, ITSM, Management Information System, Supply Chain Management, System Analysis and Design, Algoritma and Programming, dan lain-lain. Juga sebagai mentors, ini ada di Pablo, New Zealand, dan Unpad Indonesia. Kemudian ada sebagai consultant, baik di bidang akademik, research, dan community, serta koordinator pada Research Center dan Enterprise System Research Group. Berikut sejumlah mata kuliah yang diampu, dimulai dari System Analysis and Design, Enterprise System, Research Method, Human-Computer Interaction, Knowledge Management System, Human Capital Management, Algorithm Programming and Data Structures, Supply Chains Management, Business Process, serta beberapa mata kuliah lainnya.
This course explores the principles and practices of enterprise architecture, EA, a strategic discipline that enables organizations to align their business goals with their IT systems and processes. Students will learn how to design, plan, and implement an architecture that supports business objectives, enhances operational efficiency, and drives digital transformation. The course covers various EA frameworks, such as TOGAF, Zachman, and FEAF, examines how these frameworks provide methodologies and tools for analyzing and structuring complex organizational architecture.
Course objective: students should be able to do the following at the end of the course. Yang pertama, understand core EA frameworks and methodology. Ini termasuk dengan develop a solid understanding of major EA frameworks seperti TOGAF, Zachman, FEAF, and how they guide the alignment of IT with business goals. Yang kedua adalah align IT strategy with business goal. Learn how to design and implement enterprise architectures that ensure IT infrastructures, systems, and processes are strategically aligned with organizational objectives. Yang ketiga adalah analyze and design comprehensive AI models. Gain the ability to create enterprise architecture models that integrate business processes, applications, data, and technology in cohesion, efficient structures. Yang keempat adalah evaluate the role of EA in digital transformation. Explore how EA supports digital transformation by facilitating the adoption of new technologies, improving operational efficiency, and enhancing business agility. Last but not least adalah develop communication and governance skills. Learn how to effectively communicate complex architectural concepts to both technical and non-technical stakeholders, and establish governance frameworks to ensure EA effectiveness and compliance. Oke, sekarang masuk ke course expectation. Yang pertama adalah attendance dan involvement. Jadi mahasiswa diharapkan secara reguler itu hadir ya, bisa secara offline ataupun online, termasuk juga dalam diskusi, dalam forum, serta kegiatan berkelompok. Yang kedua adalah task and assignment. Jadi selama perkuliahan Anda akan mendapati sejumlah tugas-tugas, bisa juga kuis, ujian untuk menilai seberapa capaian pemahaman Anda terhadap konten mata kuliah ini. Kemudian ada juga grup project. Mahasiswa diminta untuk bekerja secara kolaboratif ya berkelompok untuk mengaplikasikan knowledge management principle ke dunia nyata yang mungkin ditemui. Yang keempat adalah reading and resources. Nanti kita akan berikan sejumlah recommended reading and resources. Jadi diharapkan Anda mempelajari materi-materi tersebut sehingga dapat meningkatkan pemahaman dari subjek ini. Selanjutnya perlu diperhatikan juga regular office hours ya. Jadi kalau mau bertanya, konsultasi itu fokus pada jam kerja ya. Jadi saya meminimalkan kontak di luar jam kerja. Kemudian harus bersikap profesional, respectful ya, baik terhadap karyawan ya, dosen, rekan-rekan dan lain sebagainya. Kemudian communication juga penting ya. Jadi kalau mau bertanya itu harus jelas dan usahakan pada waktunya. Kemudian yang kedelapan adalah ethical conduct. It is critical to maintain academic and ethical integrity. Termasuk juga nanti ada kita harus menghindari yang namanya plagiarism dan juga cheating ya, baik pada saat belajar, tugas ataupun ujian. Kemudian tak lupa adalah feedback. You will receive constructive feedback on your assignment and project to help you improve your understanding and performance.
The Open Group Architecture Framework, TOGAF, is a widely used framework that provides a systematic approach to develop, manage, and govern enterprise architecture effectively.
TOGAF Standard 10 Edition make adoption of best practice easier. This is the new standards from 2022. The IDM cycle consists of several phases from preliminary architecture vision, business architectures, information system architectures, technology architectures, architecture opportunity and solutions, migration planning, implementation governance, and architecture change management. Last but not least is requirement management. Benefit of TOGAF adoption: the first is improved alignment, where better alignment between IT and businesses. Second is reduce costs, lower IT costs through standardization, and enhance agility, increase agility in responding to change. Future trends in TOGAF usage. As digital transformation accelerates, the future of TOGAF is likely to incorporate elements such as agile methodology, cloud computing, and DevOps. Then, TOGAF is evolving to address these new challenges by providing more adaptive framework that emphasizes collaboration, rapid change management, and integration with emerging technology. Jadi ada sejumlah tren, misalnya adalah metodologi agile, cloud computing, dan DevOps, serta terintegrasi dengan lebih banyak lagi teknologi-teknologi terkini kan.
The meeting aims to discuss the core principles and methodologies of business architecture within the context of enterprise architecture, focusing on aligning business strategies, processes, and technology.
Our agenda for this meeting divided into 5 subsections. Start from business capability models, and then business process modeling. After that, value stream mapping, and followed by business process management or BPM. After that, mapping to enterprise architectures.
Enterprise architecture, EA, comprises 4 key domains. These are business, data, application, and technology. Each offers unique perspectives. These are essential for strategic alignment.
Oke, sekarang baru masuk ke penjelasan masing-masing domain layers. Each domain can be described as follow. Ini kita ambil dari All Sophie pada tahun 2014. Yang pertama adalah yang paling atas yaitu business domain. Ini represent the function and processes that support the business, the organization that perform the business process, and the location where the business is performed, and the factors that could cause the business to change. Jadi isinya itu bisa saja terkait proses atau fungsi yang mendukung bisnis. Kemudian bisa juga prosesnya, lokasinya ya, serta faktor yang menyebabkan bisnis itu dapat mengalami perubahan. Kemudian di bawahnya ada information atau data domains. Identify the major types of information needed to support the business functions. It identifies and defines the information models, datasets, metadata repositories, and their relationship to the business functions and to application system. Jadi fokus pada model informasi, set data, metadata repository, serta hubungannya dengan business function atau ke sistem application. Selanjutnya pada layer ketiga yaitu application domain, identifies and describe application and modules as well as their relationship to business processes and other application system and modules. The application architecture identifies the major application needed to support and cross-cutting business processes and of the enterprises. Jadi dia mengidentifikasi dan mendeskripsikan aplikasi apa saja yang dibutuhkan beserta modul-modulnya serta hubungannya dengan bisnis proses atau pada sistem aplikasi dan modul lainnya. Kemudian ada juga infrastructure technology domains, ini yang paling base ya. Identifies the major technology or platforms necessary to support the enterprise's application and data system and associates those platform with the various application in the other sectors. Jadi dia mengidentifikasi teknologi utama apa yang digunakan atau platform apa yang dipakai, sangat penting untuk mendukung bagaimana aplikasi enterprise dan data sistemnya itu dapat terasosiasi dengan baik. TOGAF architecture domains. TOGAF focus on four main architecture domains. The first is business architectures, define the business strategy, governance, organization, and key business processes. Second is data architectures, describe the structure and management of organization data. The third is application architectures, describe the software application needed to support business processes. And the last but not least is number 4, technology architectures, cover infrastructures, platform, and technology required to support the application architectures.
Business architecture is a blueprint of an organization, outlining its structure, processes, and systems.
Importance in enterprise architectures. Business architectures plays a vital role in enterprise architectures by providing a comprehensive view of the organizations. It ensures that strategic objectives are aligned with capabilities, guiding development, investments, and operational decisions to support overall business goals.
Business architecture, focusing on vital elements such as business capability models, business process modeling, value stream mapping, and business process management, BPM. BA key components include capability models, process modeling, value streams, and BPM. The goal is to bridge the gap between strategy and execution, driving business value. Business Capability Models, BCM, defines the essential capabilities needed to achieve organizations' strategic goals, allowing businesses to focus on what they can do, driving innovation and agility. Key components include the capability hierarchy, core, enabling, supporting, metrics for performance, relationships with processes, and alignment with goals, helping assess readiness and improvement areas.
Business capability models is defining what the business does. We can see the first from the abstract representation, where a BCM is an abstract representation of what a business does. After that, we can see the hierarchical structures. BCMs are typically a hierarchical model, often 2 until 4 levels deep, and stable business focus, where BCMs are stable and business focused, providing a view for strategic planning. Organizing using capability models see a 20% faster time to market for new products. BCM focus on capability, not how they are done. These models are abstract, they provide a stable framework for planning, where strategic alignment ensuring capability support business objective, gap analyzing, identify missing or underdevelopment capability, and investment planning, prioritizing investments in key capabilities.
Business process modeling, BPM, maps out workflows and processes using visual diagrams, helping stakeholders identify inefficiencies, redundancies, and areas for improvement within an organization.
BPM not only helps in understanding existing processes, but also facilitates discussion for enhancements and re-engineering efforts. It is used to analyze and improve processes, effective model enhance communication. BPM and business process model annotation, standardized graphical notation, swim lanes, visual representation of process responsibilities and process flow, mapping the sequence of activities. BPM defining how the business operates by using visual representation. The BPM is visual representation of end-to-end business processes using common notation known BPN 2.0. This is the most common notation at the moment. The benefit is BPMs improve efficiency and reduce costs and also enhance the compliance. Type of business process models. The common type include flowcharts, BPMNs, and SIPOC or suppliers input processor and customers. Each type exhibits different purposes and provides varying level of detail, suitable for diverse audience from operational team to executive. By understanding these types allow organizations to choose the right modeling approach for their needs.
Various tools and techniques are employed for business process modeling, such as Visio, Lucidchart, and Bazagi. Techniques include process mapping, simulation, and analysis tools that help visualize workflows and assess performance metrics. Utilizing the right tools supports collaborative efforts in process design and improvement initiatives, promoting efficiency and effectiveness. Value Stream Mapping, VSM, visualizes and analyzes material and info flow in production, identifying value-added and non-value-added activities to streamline processes, reduce waste, and improve efficiency.
Value stream mapping focusing on value delivery is a visual tool to analyze the steps to deliver a product, focus on value added activity, and increase customer satisfaction and reduce lead times.
Value Stream Mapping visualizes the steps to deliver value. It identifies waste and inefficiencies. This mapping improves process flow and reduces lead time. Value Stream Mapping visualizes the steps to deliver value. It identifies waste and inefficiencies. This mapping improves process flow and reduces lead time.
Business Process Management or BPM. BPM is a systematic approach to managing processes, It optimizes performance and adaptability. It focuses on continuous improvement and innovation. BPM drive efficiency across the enterprise. Process design by creating efficient and effective processes. Process execution by automating and managing process workflows. Process monitoring by tracking process performance and identifying issues. And process optimization by continuously improving processes based on data.
BPM lifecycle. The BPM lifecycle consists of several phases: design, modeling, execution, monitoring, and optimization. Key components of business process management include process design and modeling tools, business rules management, performance metrics, and process automation solutions. These components work together to ensure that processes are efficient, compliant, and adaptable. Each component plays a critical role in ensuring processes can be monitored and optimized in real time, and together they create an integrated approach to managing business processes effectively.
Mapping to EA or enterprise architectures. Aligning process with EA, aligning business processes with enterprise architectures, ensure that processes support organizational goals and objectives effectively. It involves understanding how each process contributes to business capabilities and overall strategic plan. This alignment promotes a holistic view of the organizations, leading to better resource allocations, improved agility in responding to market changes, and enhanced collaboration across departments. Mapping this relationship enhances visibility and accountability within the enterprise architecture framework. Aligning processes with EA ensures that they support business needs. This alignment optimizes resource utilization, it enhances agility and reduces redundancy. And this is the stack. The business strategy will lay on business processes, and the business processes will lay on the enterprise architectures. The mapping can be imaged like this image. The first is EA framework. EA provides a framework for aligning IT with business goals. And then the second section is IT requirement, where business processes drive IT requirement. And the frameworks, for example, TOGAF and Zachman are common framework used in enterprise architectures. This is the illustration, the business architectures and enterprise architecture connections. For what and why question is business architecture define the what and why question. Meanwhile, enterprise architectures define the how questions. Together, they enable effective IT investment and strategic alignment. Benefit of integrated business architecture and enterprise architectures. The first is enhanced decision making. Number two is increased agility. The third is reduce IT costs. And the base one is improve strategic alignment.
Business architecture plays a critical role in aligning business goals with IT strategy, ensuring efficient processes, and driving organizational success within the framework of enterprise architecture.
Assessment 5. Select an organization. Choose a company or organization to analyze. This can be well-known corporations or local company or non-profit that is accessible for research. Describe the company current business architectures. Start from business process, organization structures, information system and technology, and strategic goals and objective. Use diagram or charts to illustrate your analysis and save your work as usual. You could use Word or PowerPoint and store it in Dropbox and pass the file from Dropbox into the submaterial.